Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to increase your WooCommerce product variation limit. If you've been hitting the default limit when trying to add multiple variations to a product, this tutorial will show you exactly how to bypass that restriction using a simple plugin and a bit of code. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't done so already. Make sure you're accessing the WordPress dashboard where you manage your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be making all the necessary changes. Now, to increase the WooCommerce product variation limit, start by locating plugins on the left navigation menu, click on it, and you'll see an expanded list of options appear. From those options, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin directory where you can search for and install new tools to enhance your store's functionality. You'll now be on the plugins page where you can browse through all the available plugins to add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Here, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in snippets. From the results that appear, look specifically for a plugin called Code Snippets. Once you find it, click on More Details to see an overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. This plugin allows you to safely add custom code to your WordPress site without editing theme files directly. When you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to finish, so be patient and let it complete. Once the installation is done, you'll see the button change to Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Once Code Snippets is activated, look at the left navigation menu again and click on Snippets. This will direct you to the Snippets Management page where you can create and manage all your custom code. From here, look for the Add New button located on the top part of your screen. Clicking this will open up a code editor where you can input your custom snippet. I'll be flashing a line of code on screen that you can copy to increase the WooCommerce product variation limit. Feel free to pause the video to accurately copy this code and paste it into the editor. This code essentially overrides the default variation limit set by WooCommerce, allowing you to add as many product variations as you need. Once you've added the code, simply click on Save and Activate on the right side panel. This will implement the change immediately, and that's it. You've successfully increased the product variation limit in WooCommerce by using the Code Snippets plugin. Your store now has the flexibility to handle more complex products with numerous variations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.